Hey my friends, welcome back. I am so excited today. I get to be working with kind of a newer company and they wanted to collaborate on something really exciting, something that I've been really looking forward to for a really long time as adding into my shop. And so I'm going to give you a little sneak peek on what this is right now. So this is it. I had it delivered today to my door. Luckily, the delivery guy was able to load this right into my truck because it is a little heavy. This is it. These are the boxes of wonder and surprise. So let's get them into the shop and see what we got. Maybe there's one bit of a hint right here. Whoa! 80 pounds. Sometimes we want to work smarter, not harder. Just like that. Should we open this up? See what we got in here? Okay, so we have all these boxes here and I want to get them open. I want to see what's inside here. I know, but I haven't seen this yet. So let's open it and let's show you guys what we have. It is like Christmas. Come and see this. Boxes of boxes of boxes. But you can see down in here, we have a lovely metal tray, a metal something. See if anybody's gonna be able to guess what these things are. I'm sure you guys can know by now. Move you closer, get you into the action here. Okay, got some scissors. Let's get these boxes open. If my kids were here, this stuff would already be all over the floor. Ooh, this looks intelligent. Something very smart right here that I should keep in the box until I know what to do with it. We have cables and wires. Another fancy doohickey. And now we know this is the brand Halo Innovations is where this has come from. Very good scissors. I think I'll actually need this time. This is a super exciting day for me, you guys. Da-da-da-da. Instructions on how to put this lovely thing together. So now you see, this is what we have. A 2 foot by 2 foot table, plasma table, CNC plasma table. I have been wanting one of these for absolutely ever, and now is my chance. I'm getting to utilize it. Okay, so this is just a 2 by 2 one, which would be great for some of the smaller components, for some of the things that I'm doing for my truck builds, some of the things that I'm doing for the railings, and just doing some like custom designs for gates and everything. I'm just so excited. I'm gonna keep opening these boxes. So these are all just parts for putting this table together. We have the whole table, all the metal slats are here. Losing my scissors again. This feels like it's way above my technology pay grade, but I'm really excited. There's a lot that I have to learn to go along with this, but like where this thing goes, I'll have to figure that all out. But it is always exciting to learn new things. So now let's go to the next boxes. Boop, boop, boop. And see what we have here. Okay. Can you see me? Maybe not. Okay. And in box number 2. Like all very important things. It's so shiny and new. Oh, this is so awesome. Okay, and finally, box number 3. This one is the money right here. I'm sure some of you guys recognize this color. This is the bread and butter of the operation here. This is the Everlast plasma cutter. So we have much setting up to do. So the Everlast Power Plasma 52i, so the 50 amp digital plasma cutter, which will get hooked up to this 2x2 table. I'll have a whole lot of research, a whole lot of things to do in order to figure out how to put this all together. But that will be a whole nother video. I can't wait to share all of this with you guys. This is so exciting. I'm just always expanding and growing my business, trying to learn new things, get new things that I can incorporate into building the things that I love, doing all the things I love to do. And I'm just so grateful to be able to share this with everybody. So it is Halo Innovations. You can find them on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and then obviously Everlast. You guys all know where to find them. So go look it up, go check it out. I can't wait to share all these videos, and I can't wait to get this thing going in my shop. Thanks everybody for tuning in, watching along, and make sure you stay tuned for all of the rest of the fun things to come. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. Keep it up. Let's keep this going. Have a great day.